Alright, this is going to be a quick video. I am going to do the STO Smart Scope STO1104. We're going to do it on, we're going to do the STO1104. We're going to use my Linespi, my AESWave Linespi Bob, my breakout box, and that breakout box, if you follow the line, goes down and it comes down here to, can you see it? There it goes down there to the DLC data link connector. So next thing we want to do is get our wires. You know, I think instead of doing this one-handed, I'm going to pause you and get this set up, and then I'll get right back to you. That's all. What does that say? Overload? I'll pause that. I think it does. I've never seen that. Overload. Wonder what that's about. Error 30C. You know what? Okay, we're gonna unstop it. Unstop it. I'm gonna go here. And can y'all read that? It's the serial text. And there we go. There's S1. Can you see all that? There's S1. Just trying to let y'all see what it says here. And then we can go S2. S1, S2, it's kind of the same. It's all fluctuating. Channel 2, ID number, type, DLC. CRC. Man, I need to hurry up. I told my wife I was going to make a super quick video. Trigger, yes. Error bit. Where's the bit error? Still got it. I'm not sure what that is. Anyway, I'm just messing around. I just remember, what was it, Leo? Leo McCullough mentioned that he wasn't getting really good waveforms for the can on his scope. Asked if anybody else was having any problems. He's supposed to make a video of it. We'll see what happens. Hopefully he did, and we can look at it and see what's going on with it. Here, I can zoom in just a little bit. Basically, all you're looking for here is for them to be mirroring each other. See, now I could go to my position here for my horizontal position. And I could scroll. Look, see how much I can scroll to the left? Look at this. I have a point to this. Look, I'm still going. Look at that. Matter of fact, let me just go to zoom. It'll be quicker. Look at this. You can go all the way to the right. I'm gonna play it. I can go all the way right. I can go all the way left. My point is it's a massive amount that I have up here. it's a massive amount that I have up here. My whole point is, spit it out, Adam. Memory. Look, remember this? Go up here to user set. Watch, I want you to see the difference. If I go to auto, well, now it's still keeping me at the 35. It's still keeping me there right now. Well, look, I'll change this to 3.5. Or look, I'll even go a little more, 35. So check this out. If we go to 35 and we pause it, here we'll get rid of the scope, the zoom. Oh, what the heck? A minute ago, when it was just on auto, I had hardly none to, there was hardly anything saved. I don't remember what settings it was. I don't remember what number it was up there. Okay, like here, look. It was like this. So it was probably this one, 3.5K. Alright, look at that. That's all there is. When I pause it, that's it. Not even a whole, so it's basically just one page. It's one page, right? So go up here to our user set. Anybody that doesn't understand what this is what this is. I think it's your buffer memory. Don't quote me on that, but I think that's what it's called, is your buffer memory. And I chose this one right here. I think it's the highest one. Oh, I have to unpause it. There we go. Chose that one. Now look, now it took me up to 35 500 megasamples a second. Where are those 35 megasamples? So now when I pause it, now I just go on and on and on and on. There's a ton. So that's pretty much it, guys. Can signals with the smart scope, the STO1104E. I really dig this scope. I know some of y'all aren't fond of the knobs and buttons over here. I absolutely love them. I'm not gonna lie, I love them. I just, like I said, I wish I can combine this scope with my ATO and have the best of both worlds. But right now, I just kind of choose my battles, which one I want to use for what. Oh, you know what I wanted to try? I wanted to turn on the, oh, and just in case y'all are wondering, I had these leads stacked. Look, I'm using which position here? Wait, vertical position, here we go. And we'll go channel 2, and now vertical position down. I had those stacked on top of each other, if y'all were wondering. That's why they were so close, you know, like they were mirroring each other. I want to do the color temperature mode real quick. I keep doing that. What the heck did I do? There we go, there's 2. Okay. Now, stop that, and I'm going to open the top menu, and we want to go to, let's see, we want to go to display, I would think, display, and yeah, common. We go down to CCT, and we're gonna enable it. Enabled. I just want to see what it looked like. I know through the camera it doesn't really do the colors justice. So yeah, man, y'all really can't see like this top part right here. all along the top is like almost a red with little flashes of like orange and almost like little pieces of blue in it. Maybe if I paused it, get a good pause. Yeah, you really can't, you just can't see it in the camera. It really doesn't matter what I do here. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to see it. Anyway, guys, I'm done playing. It's 12:06. Been recording for like 17 minutes on this one, and remember I had like another one or two before this. I'll edit it to make it shorter. I literally really wanted this to be like 5 minutes. Yeah, they keep saying error overload down here. What is that? Well, now it doesn't. Now when I pause it, there it goes. When I pause it, I mean, I'm sure that's not overload for the scope, right? I mean, it takes 300 volts. I mean, let's get some measurements up here. Freaking see what we're measuring at. We go channel 2. Let's grab frequency. Is there a frequency? 83.3 kilohertz. Go low, high, min and max, and peak to peak. We're gonna get rid of, hold on, on there. You know what? I'll get rid of the frequency. I don't need that. There we go, peak to peak, and then we do the same thing with channel 4. We had the low, the high, min, max, and peak to peak. Alright, we'll go ahead and throw a frequency meter on channel 2 for the can high up at the top there. Unpause it. So we're running 33 kilohertz frequency, 32. I'm gonna have to move this up. I'm gonna have to move. Just dropped my phone, bounced off my water bottle. I'm gonna have to raise this up some, get it up off of the measurements. You still can't see because I'm gonna have to turn off S1 and S2. There we go. Now what do we got? We've got low, for the low, 25 amps, really? Low, 13, 12 volts. Alright, let's do channel 2 first. Okay, it's saying 25 amps. High, 35. What? Minimum 22. What's on these amps? On a menu. DC. On DC. Oh, why am I on times 10? I'm on 1. Okay. Full bandwidth. Alright. Channel 4 menu. DC voltage 1. There we go, DC voltage. Why does that keep putting that to there? Alright, DC voltage. Man, I'm sorry guys. I was looking at the main screen. It's hard to look through my cell phone and do all this stuff because it's so small I can't see it. Which I know, which means you guys can't see it. Alright, so now let's look, see what we got. There we go. Low, 2.7 2.4 volts. I just saw 2.6, 2.4 volts. High 3.5, 3.8 volts. Minimum 2.1. Max 3.6. And peak to peak 1.5 volts. And it's pretty much same on the bottom. Well, it's gonna be a little different. 1.2 volts low, high 2.4 volts, minimum 750 millivolts to 1.2 roughly volts, max 2.7, 2.6, 2.5, and peak to peak 1.5. So there you have it, guys. All done. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. Keep my channel going. The more subscribers I get, the more comments and likes and notifications I get, the more videos I tend to do, because it lets me know people want to watch them. Hey, do me a favor. If you're gonna hit the dislike button, the thumbs down button, which that's fine. If you don't like the video, you don't like the video, but will you do me a favor and just leave a short comment as to what you did not like about the video, why you hit the dislike button? The only way I can improve is if you tell me what, you know, what I need to improve on. Anyway, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping at Adam's workshop, and we'll see y'all on the next one. Alright, I had to show this real quick. I did get rid of the error. If you look, we're in the serial text S1, S2, S1 and S2. Look, I got rid of the errors. I'll show you how I did it. All I did was in here simply changed my baud rate, and I went to 500. Can y'all see that? On each one of them. Can y'all see? Okay, y'all can see that. There's S1 and S2. Same thing. So that's all I did, and now it looks good. Let me get them up off of their position. Raise it up to like right there. That was 4. We'll hit channel 2. We'll raise it up to where channel 4 is, and I guess we'll have to get rid of the measurements. Just no biggie. Oh, there's a measurement menu, and we'll just simply hit clear. Boop. All done. There. Now you can see what we got going on with that. I just felt a bug in my damn jeans. Oh, probably felt like a spider. Alright, so it's weird. I always have to turn the brightness down for y'all to be able to see the numbers. I think if I pause it, we could see what this stuff is saying. Man, sorry, I'm trying to kill a spider that's in my pants. So we can kind of see some of the numbers here. Do a quick play, pause. Just get an idea of what it shows. I think this stuff's just pretty cool playing, just to mess with it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not positive what all this stuff means. I understand the different packets and the messages and that. I want to know what 6F2 means, or what that means. Anyway, I've looked into like the messages and how that works and all of that, but anyway, I think that looks pretty cool with the temperature mode, you know, the color. I always like the different color like that. I just think that's pretty neat. You get to see it a little more when I zoom in. I'm trying to pause it. Yeah, when I zoom in, you can see the colors more. Oh, on that note, CCT, the color temperature mode, Micsig did respond to me. I got the email this morning, and yeah guys, CCT right here, it's only on the Smart Scope, and they don't have any plans as of right now to put it on the ATO anytime soon. They said they may do it in the future, but they don't know exactly when. So for all our ATO folks, not yet guys, not yet. Alright, so alright, I'm gonna end this here. I'm done playing. I've got all my triggers all messed up here. Anyway, I'm done. I'm gonna take it inside. I just wanted to show you guys real quick. Alright, thanks for watching.